Hi everybody, I am so excited to share some news with you. I have finally put out a class. Yes, hosted on my website, not somebody else's, but on mine. Well, I should say you can find it on my website and they'll take you to Teachable, which is where the class is hosted. So I'm really excited about this because it is a fun album to make and it is so versatile. I can, as you can see, you can use mixed media, you can collage, you can use stamped images. I can even see like a scrapbooker using it and using it for all the embellishments, like nothing too thick, but like stickers, photos, and journaling. You could even make it out of like watercolor paper and use it for that, or pretty much anything. Like if you imagine it, you can do it, and it's just this great little album, and it doesn't take up much space if you want to make it like a little travel album. So it all started out with this one. I made it when I was without an art room and I had a few supplies upstairs with me, and I made this one, and it was so fun to do and addictive. So then I popped out these two. And then I thought, you know, this would make a great first class for me because it's quick, it's easy, it's versatile. It's something like if you started, well, I guess it depends on how fast you are. Me, I'm pretty slow. So I don't know. If I was dedicated and focused, even I could probably do it in one day. But if I worked at my normal pace, it might take 2 or 3. But I bet most of you could do this in a day or two. Like, I can't say enough about it. Like, it's just a quick, fun mini. And you know I love minis. And this one, this is the one we'll be doing in the class. It has all the things I love. There's paint on the backgrounds. There are collage images. There are quotes. And I take you through the whole process. From cutting your papers down to size, putting the album together, painting the backgrounds, the collage images, and like even choosing them like for the pages, and then adding the quotes and the doodles, everything. We go through all of it in the class, and it is so fun. Like, seriously, you'll want to do this in all the colors. Just the vibrant colors are just so fun. And, you know, I'm a sucker for collage and quotes. But you don't even have to be into that. Like I said, you can use your stamped images. You can do whatever you want. But I do hope you give this a try and join us in the classroom. I can't wait to see you there. Thanks, everybody. Bye.